Constructing SSS triangle. An SSS triangle is a type of triangle that is defined by the length of its sides, where SSS stands for side, side, side. To construct a side-side-side triangle, you will need to know the length of each of the three sides. Here are the steps to construct an SSS triangle. Draw a straight line segment that will represent one of the sides of the triangle. Use a ruler to measure and mark the length of the second side of the triangle from one endpoint of the first side. Use a compass to draw a circle with a radius equal to the length of the third side of the triangle centered at the endpoint of the second side. Draw a second circle with the same radius centered at the other endpoint of the first side. The two circles will intersect at 2 points. Connect these 2 points to the endpoint of the first side to form the third side of the triangle. Label the 3 vertices of the triangle and the length of each of the 3 sides as this. First of all, we draw a line AB and then we open our compass by the length BC, and placing on point B, we draw a curve which is this one, this, and then by measuring the length AC, we open our compass and placing at point A, we draw another curve, this, and it touches, and these two curves intersect at point C, and we join this point with point A and with point B by a straight line using our ruler. Check that the lengths of the sides match the given measurement for the triple S triangle. It's important to note that not all combinations of side lengths will form a valid triangle. To form a triangle, the sum of the lengths of any two sides must be greater than the length of the third side. If this condition is not met, then no triangle can be formed with those side lengths. Examination tips. Make sure you are fully equipped with a good set of compasses that you are confident using when you go into the exam room. Do not erase the construction arcs from your diagram. Test yourself. Question number 1 is: a diagram is given which is not to scale. The diagram shows a triangular field ABC on horizontal ground. The angle BAC is equal to 82.8 degree. The bearing of C from A is 210 degrees. Find the bearing of B from A. It's a 1 mark question. Find the bearing of A from B. It's a 2 mark question. Question number 2. The diagram shows an incomplete scale drawing of a marketplace ABCD, where D is on CX. The scale is 1 centimeter represents 5 meters. 1 centimeter to 5 centimeter. D lies on CX such that angle DAB is 75 degrees. On the diagram, draw the line AD and mark the position of D. It's a 2 mark question. Find the actual length of the side BC of the marketplace. It's a 2 mark question. Write the scale of the drawing in the form 1:n. It's a 1 mark question. Question number 3. A diagram is given which is not to scale. The diagram shows a field ABCD. The bearing of B from A is 140 degrees. C is due east of B and D is due north of C. AB is 400 meter, BC is 350 meter and CD is 450 meter. Find the bearing of D from B. And it's a 2 mark question. Question number 4. Diagram is given. J and K are ships. P is a port. J is due south of P. Angle JPK is 56 degrees. JP equals KP. Work out the bearing of J from K. It's a 3 mark question. Question number 5. A diagram is drawn. A ship sails from P to Q and then from Q to R. Q is 12 miles from P on a bearing of 80 degrees. R is 28 miles from Q on a bearing of 155 degrees. Work out the direct distance from P to R. It's a 4 mark question.